Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to get a virtual Visa card. If you've ever worried about sharing your real card details online or want a safer way to shop virtually, this is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's a virtual Visa card? It's a digital version of a Visa card that you can generate through apps or your bank's website. It works just like a physical card but offers extra security by using unique numbers for each transaction, reducing the risk of fraud. Why should you care? It's perfect for online shopping, subscriptions, or any situation where you don't want to expose your actual card info. To get started, step 1 is choosing a provider. Popular options include your bank's mobile app, services like PayPal, or fintech apps such as Revolut or Wise. Make sure the provider is trustworthy and available in your country to avoid any hassles. Step 2. Sign up or log in. If you're using a banking app, download it if you haven't already and navigate to the virtual card section. For other services, create an account and link it to your existing bank details. Step 3. Verify your identity. This usually involves a quick process like uploading ID or confirming your phone number. It's all about keeping things secure. Once that's done, step 4. Generate your virtual card. You'll get a new card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can even set spending limits to control how much can be spent. Finally, start using it. Add it to your digital wallet or enter the details directly for online purchases. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication and monitor your transactions for safety. And there you have it. Getting a virtual Visa card is straightforward and can make your online life a lot safer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.